Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to start from the Ashes DLC. In the beginning, make sure that you've got Ubisoft Connect Plus Premium. You've got game updated to version 2.5. Or you've got From the Ashes DLC bot. Once it's installed, enter the game and go to Story Selection in the bottom right corner, or simply press Escape. Select Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes. Go to the year and select Game. In my case I just have to select Game, but in your case you will import your save. So for example, let's select this one. If you import your character, you will have every item, resource at the beginning of the DLC. Start your journey and it's done. The only thing that's left is enjoying the DLC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.